And while we're here at the CAF hangar, I guess we need to take a little more footage. There we go. We've got the planes here. Looks like I have to think about this. Here's Ron's other plane, the PT-19. Got a little stuff going on here, a little repair work. When you actually look at what it looks like without the stuff on the outside, it's a little intimidating to think you go up in that little box. But hey, aerodynamics, it works. So everybody's taking a good look around before we start our meeting. Sure, it'll start shortly. And there's Kevin coming in, and still got the ladies out there on the ramp. Guess can't really see that well. But it is a really nice night here at the Gardner CAF